Adelaide is the big improver amongst the capital city markets in 2021, and it continues to be the nation's most underrated capital city. I conduct quarterly surveys of sales activity across Australia, and in the winter survey, I found a record number of rising markets in Adelaide. But the spring survey completed more recently showed that Adelaide had topped that record by a big margin. 2/3 of suburbs across the Adelaide metropolitan area now have rising sales activity. The number of rising markets identified in our 5 most recent quarterly surveys have been 52, 62, 93, 104, 125. And that pattern shows the rise of the Adelaide market, and that's also reflected now in the price data. Adelaide's median house prices increased 21% in the past 12 months, and that's higher than Melbourne, Perth and Darwin, and it's on a par with Brisbane. The appeal of Adelaide includes its relative affordability. Its median house price is $575,000, which compares with $960,000 in Melbourne, $1.3 million in Sydney, $955,000 in Canberra, and $710,000 in Brisbane. Adelaide also has higher rental yields than all the other capital cities except Darwin, helped by ultra-low vacancy rates, which are well under 1%. And all this is underpinned by an improving local economy, with South Australia rising up the rankings in the quarterly State of the States report published by CommSec. And against this background, we've just published our new edition of Top 5 Adelaide Hotspots report. It reveals the markets within the Adelaide metropolitan area that I expect to excel for the rest of 2021 and well into 2022. Prospects for ongoing growth in the South Australian capital are strong, driven by its affordability, value for money, low vacancies, and good rental yields. So get yourself a copy of the Top 5 Adelaide Hotspots report and find out about some of the best value real estate anywhere in Australia.